Welcome back. Now, Jamaica's Commonwealth Games 200-meter bronze medalist Jason Livermore is facing the prospect of a 4-year ban after returning a positive test for a banned substance in December. Confirmation of the doping violation came during Friday's preliminary hearing before the independent anti-doping disciplinary panel at the Jamaica Conference Center. Chairman of the 3-member panel, Kent Gammond, would only confirm that JADCO alleges that the sprinter returned the violation in an out-of-competition test on December 16. Gammond declined to reveal the name or type of prohibited substance, while indicating Livermore is said to have violated Article 2.1 of JADCO's anti-doping rules, which refers to presence of a prohibited substance or its metabolites or markers in an athlete's sample. However, it's understood that Livermore, who also copped the Commonwealth Games 4x100 gold along with Kemar Bailey-Cole, Nicola Ashmead and Usain Bolt in Glasgow, did not request that his B sample be tested. 29-year-old Livermore did not compete at Jamaica's senior trials between June 22 and 25, so will not be a member of Jamaica's team to the World Championships in London next month. He was a 200-meter semi-finalist at the 2013 World Championships in Moscow, Russia. Livermore, who trains at the Aiken Track Club and has career best times of 10.03 and 20.13 in the 100 and 200 meters respectively, will start the fight to clear his name on September 11. When contacted today by TVJ Sports, both Livermore and his representative, Lorenzo Sanford, declined to comment on the violation or the type of drug involved.